Hello friends, carry forward set of loss in case of a closed company. 51% of voting power should be beneficiary held on the last day of a previous year in which loss is to set up. Same person who held at least 51% of the last day of previous year loss was incurred, then the carry forward is possible. At least 51% hold करना चाहिए the old partner in which loss was incurred and the which loss was to be set up. At least old partner 51% hold करना चाहिए. Then it is possible for to set up losses. Exception का unobserved depreciation can be set up with not hold at least 51%. The losses on capital section of all losses under capital gain, but the unobserved depreciation can be carried forward. Exception case or loss can be carried forward. Exception can transfer due to death, transfer by of gifts or amalgamation or demerger of foreign company, insolvency, bankruptcy code, and distressed company. In these five circumstances, losses can be carried forward. In these five conditions, loss can be carried forward even if not hold the 51% voting share in which the loss was incurred. In these five conditions, loss can be carried forward even not hold 51%. Question number 2. Following a details of X private limited determine the brought forward loss available set up during the previous year 21 2021 relevant to assessment year 21-22. Previous year 1920 the business lost 12 lakh on observed depreciation 2 lakhs. Details of shareholding: A 30%, B 25%, C 20%, D 25%. The previous year 21 business loss, business profit with 25 lakh before adjusting brought forward loss and unobserved depreciation. The details of the shareholding pattern: not hold the 51% old partner, not hold 51% in which the loss was to be set up. This loss cannot be set up in this case. Not hold 15-20. CD hold 45%, not a 51%. Only one of the depreciation can be set up 2 lakh. बिजनेस प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा 23 lakhs. How shall your view will different if B had gifted the share to Mr. F, relative of B? Transfer share by gift to relative is considered a change in shareholding for purpose of the section 79. Loss B टोटल हो जाएगा ये 25 70% हो जाएगा वो कैन कैरी फॉरवर्ड तो लॉसेस. बिजनेस प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा 11 लाख. 12 lakh can be set up on observed depreciation 2 lakh. 12 lakh plus 2 lakh 14 लाख को प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा 25 लाख. बिजनेस प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा 11 लाख. Number 3. A private limited company has share capital in form of equity share capital. Shareholder hold 31st March 2019 with 4 member ABCD equally. Company had made losses for the past 3 assessment year as follows: 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20. Business loss 17 8 का नील, 18 9 का नील and 19 20 का 9 लाख. All observed depreciation 15 lakh, 12 lakh, 9 lakh. Total 15 lakh, 12 lakh and 18 lakh. The above figure have been accepted by tax department during the year previous year 1920. A sold his share to Y during the previous year 2021. B sold his share Z and the CD hold at 50% is less than 51%. In assessment year 2021, the business income 18 lakh and depreciation 9 lakh. Total income before the depreciation, after depreciation 9 lakh, on after depreciation 9 lakh, income nil. The laws are eligible to set up. The laws are eligible to set up, but the income is nil, and the loss can be carried forward to the next years. In assessment year 2021, partner holding 75%. The laws are eligible to set up, but income is nil. The loss can be carried forward next year. On assessment year 21-22, the business income 45 lakhs, depreciation is 7 lakh 50,000, income after current depreciation is 37.5 lakh, and unobserved depreciation 15 lakh, 2 lakh, 9 lakh. Total income 1 lakh 50,000. Loss cannot be carried forward to partner. A and B sold, the remaining partner hold 51%, 50 percentage is less than 51 percentage. It is not eligible to set up losses. Assessment year 21-22. Please subscribe the channel. It will motivate me to make more video. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and share your to your friends. Thank you.